First, create a new layer, file, new document. File size must be 2500 pixel and 1500 pixel. 2500 pixel. Resolution must be 300. Color mode RGB 8-bit. All like me. Create new document. First, place your image. File. Place embed. Double click to place my image. Okay, done. So at first we will do selection tool. Select selection tool, rectangular marquee tool, select whole image. Then click CTRL+J. CTRL+J. This is the main layer. This two layer will be deleted. Delete this two layer. Then convert to smart object. Right click, convert to smart object. So click CTRL+J 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So total 6 layers. So first one is background. This is our background. So unhide this layer. Sorry, hide this layer. Just show this layer. So first go to filter, stylize, emboss. Filter, emboss, angle 135, height 4, amount 100. Do like me. So hit OK. So all effect will be smart object. All of it will be smart object. Then again select it. These layers, filter, sharpen. So it will affect. So all effect under this smart object. So then filter gallery. Go to filter gallery. So artistic and cut out. Control 0 for full view. Cut out the number of levels 8. It's 4, 8, 4, 8, 1, 8, 4, 1. Cut out layer and hit OK. So then layer 3, this layer rename, cut out. So third layer, again filter gallery, cut out, Control 0 for full view, cut out. Then number of level 7, 4, 1. Same, hit OK. Then unhide fourth layer and drag into middle. Cut out and its edge. Diagram to middle and rename this color. So third layer will be overlay. Sorry for mistake. This is overlay. This is color. we are going fifth layer. Again filter gallery, control 0 for full view. So it's stylized filter, glowing edge. Okay. So it's through 238. Sorry, 238. Do like me. Hit OK. So it's blend mode to change overlay layer. Coming sixth layer. Filter, then other high pass. So reduce 2.0 pixel, hit OK. Come screen, sorry, overlay, not screen. Sorry for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth layer, blend mode, screen, not overlay, it's screen. So look at this, it's completely changed. So select all this layer, Control G for group. Rename this effect. So we can add border, place embed, stock photo, we can add this border. Right, check link of the description, you will find it. So border, then texture, texture, convert to smart object, group, texture, border. So texture, then go multiply, blend mode to multiply. So you can reduce opacity as you wish. So you can try this. Right click, edit content. You can put another image, place embed. So we can put an image. Control S for save. Updating smart objects. So look at that. It's a great effect. So change another image. It's look cool. CTRL+S. So look at that, how cool this is. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you so much.